Hi, you're watching TV9 News. I'm Pratibha. The battle for West Bengal has already started months before the state is to go to polls. But this is BJP's new brand of politics. Gone are the days when parties would start campaigning a month or two before the elections. The Union Home Minister Amit Shah has decided to visit West Bengal every single month until the elections, and each time he has decided to stay for a week. This underlines how crucial these polls are for the BJP. The BJP juggernaut is not really anything new, but having lost a few significant MLAs, Mamata Banerjee has also amped up her campaign and now might be guided in her efforts by a political warhorse, Sharad Pawar. The architect of the unlikely Maharashtra elections, a man who is hailed by Narendra Modi himself as his political guru, the 80-year-old, would he be the answer that Mamata Banerjee really needs? Well, Mamata Banerjee has two powerful tools by her side as of now, Sharad Pawar and Prashant Kishore, the political strategist. But how much of an impact will they make against an election machine like Amit Shah? Well, Sharad Pawar will be visiting Mamata Banerjee in Kolkata in the first week of the next year. The leaders are also likely to address a joint rally in Kolkata. It makes for a great photo op, but does it really translate into votes? Take for instance the previous time the united opposition putting up a great show. In Lok Sabha elections, it turned out to be a massive flop, with BJP coming back to power with much more majority. Such a show of unity has also been put up in Karnataka, as we remember, when the oath-taking ceremony of the Congress-JDS coalition became a big show, with opposition leaders from across the country participating. Few months down the line, the government collapsed and the unity lay threadbare. So Sharad Pawar might be a life coach to the opposition leaders. The opposition may be facing an existential crisis right now, but what matters is a change on ground. The BJP has been mobilizing its cadres across West Bengal. In Pawar's advice to Mamata Banerjee, he has told her two different things. First, to tone down the aggression against Amit Shah's visits to West Bengal that are getting more and more frequent now, and publicly declare that her nephew would not hold power. It's a charge that the BJP has been levelling against her in their narrative in West Bengal. But Mamata Banerjee is a few years behind this strategizing for her own state. For the BJP, the work pretty much began back in 2014 itself. A year after the party's impressive Lok Sabha elections, the win in 2014, Amit Shah had already started a mass membership campaign. And this was a campaign across the country. Amit Shah also envisioned the Mera Booth Sabse Mazboot campaign involving senior party leaders to take the party ideology to the booth level. At present, in fact, BJP is the only party with such strong booth presence, and Amit Shah is the only leader with such strong booth connect. The BJP's booth level management is considered superhuman, and there lies the party's strength. So for any party to take on the BJP, that's where it really needs to work. Any opposition coming together might not really work for the party, as we've seen in a few elections before. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to TV9 Digital. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.